Hey, what's up? Today we're gonna go over fuse box locations for Alfa Romeo 159. We'll start with the engine compartment. First fuse box is located on the driver's side under the hood. That's where you'll find fuses for things like instrument control panel, ECU, and others. Second fuse box is located under the dash on the left side, and it holds fuses for most components on the car, including brake lights, direction indicators, hazard lights, and other. Third fuse box is located in the boot, and it's responsible for components like seat warming, amplifier, etc. When it comes to fuse box diagram for Alfa Romeo 159, you can find the complete list in the video description below. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe.